Hello everyone, and welcome to this new course on the present perfect tense. My name is Emma. I will be your guide for today's lesson. In this course, we will learn how to use the present perfect tense. A lot of people are afraid of this tense, but don't worry, after this course, you will love this tense. Our course is divided into two exciting parts. In the part 1, you will have a detailed lesson on the present perfect tense. In the second part, you will have a fun quiz to test your knowledge. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently use the present perfect in your everyday conversations. Are you ready? Let's get started. Understanding the present perfect. In this part of the course, we'll dive into the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions that happened at an unspecified time before now. The exact time is not important. Here's how we form the present perfect. Here's the structure of the present perfect. Subject plus have or has, plus past participle. For examples, I have eaten breakfast. She has visited Paris. As a reminder, the past participle is the form of a verb, typically ending in ed for regular verbs. And for irregular verbs, you have to know them by heart. We will make a video in the future about the past participle. Remember, we use has with he, she, and it, and have with I, you, we, and they. Now, let's talk about the negative form and the interrogative form. For the negative form, we simply add not after have or has. Here is the structure. Subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle. For example, I have not visited the museum. She has not completed her assignment. You can also use the contraction haven't or hasn't. I haven't visited the museum. She hasn't completed her assignment. For the interrogative form, when we ask questions in the present perfect, invert the subject and have or has. Here is the structure. Have or has plus subject plus past participle. For example, have you visited the museum? Has she completed her assignment? When to use the present perfect. We use the present perfect for an experience. When we talk about life experiences without specifying when they happened. For example, she has traveled to Japan. In this example, the time is not specified. We use the present perfect to describe a change that has occurred over time. For example, your English has improved. In this example, the English skills was not good, but now it's better. I hope it will be your case in the future. We also use present perfect for actions that started in the past and are still continuing. The action is not completed. For example, I have lived in this city for 5 years. In this example, I'm still living in this city. And finally, we use the present perfect for multiple actions at different times. When we talk about several actions that have happened at different times, for example, we have been to the cinema twice this week. There are some words used with the present perfect. Let's have a look. Just. For example, I have just finished my homework. Already. For example, she has already seen that movie. Yet. For example, have you finished the book yet? Ever. For example, have you ever been to London? Never. For example, I have never eaten sushi. Hello, darling. Sorry, I can't talk with you. I'm with my students. I'll call you back right after the course. Bye-bye. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to the quiz to see how much you've learned. Don't worry, it's just for fun and practice. But before we start, leave a like and subscribe if you like the video. And tell me in the comment section if you understand better the present perfect. It will help me a lot for the channel. Ready for the quiz? Here we go! Great job so far. Now it's time to test your knowledge with a quiz. I'll give you 10 questions and 10 seconds for each question. For each question, choose the correct form of the present perfect tense. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the correct form of this sentence? She, to finish her homework. Has finished. Have finished. Finishes. The correct answer is A. She has finished her homework. Question 2. Choose the correct sentence in the present perfect. They has visited the museum. They have visited the museum. They visited the museum. The correct answer is B. They have visited the museum. Question 3. What is the correct form of this sentence? I, to never. See, that movie. I have never seen that movie. I has never seen that movie. I never see that movie. The correct answer is A. I have never seen that movie. Question 4. What is the negative form? We, to, not. Eat. Lunch yet. Has not eaten. Have not eaten. Have not ate. The correct answer is B. We have not eaten lunch yet. Question 5. What is the correct form of this sentence? You, to finish your homework. Have you finished? Has you finished? Have you finish? The correct answer is A. Have you finished your homework? Question 6. Complete this sentence in the present perfect. She, already. to leave. The party. Has already left. Has already leave. Have already left. The correct answer is A. She has already left the party. Question 7. Complete this sentence in the present perfect. We just to arrive at the airport. Have just arrived. Has just arrived. Have just arrived. The correct answer is C. We have just arrived at the airport. Question 8. What is the interrogative form? They ever. To be. To Japan. Has they ever been? Have they ever been? Have they ever being? The correct answer is B. Have they ever been to Japan? Question 9. What is the negative form of this sentence? He, not, to see. That movie. Has not seen. Have not seen. Has not saw. The correct answer is A. He has not seen that movie. Question 10. What is the interrogative form of this sentence? You, to eat. Sushi before? Have you ate? Has you eaten? Have you eaten? The correct answer is C. Have you eaten sushi before? Congratulations! You've completed the course on the present perfect tense, including its positive, negative, and interrogative forms. Don't forget to practice regularly to master this tense. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comment section if you are more confident with the present perfect. If you need more practice, feel free to revisit the course anytime and the quiz in this channel. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time.